Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Datadog for infrastructure monitoring on VPS, full guide step by step clearly. Go to the Datadog website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button. You will be redirected to the registration form. Fill in your email address. Create a strong password. Confirm your password by entering it again. Select the checkbox to agree to the terms of service. Click on the Create Your Datadog Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Datadog. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. You will be redirected back to the Datadog site. Sign in with your newly created account credentials. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up your first application. You can skip the onboarding tutorial if you prefer. Navigate to the Integrations tab in the left menu. Search for the VPS or cloud service you are using. Click on the integration you would like to set up. Follow the specific instructions tailored for that integration. This will usually involve installing the Datadog agent on your VPS. Connect to your VPS using SSH. Download the Datadog agent directly onto your server. Run the installation command as indicated in the integration instructions. During installation, enter your Datadog API key when prompted. This API key can be found in your Datadog account settings. Complete the installation process by following the remaining prompts. Once installed, start the Datadog agent service. Check the status of the agent to ensure it is running correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.